Hi friends, welcome to my channel DIT Info. Today we are going to discuss about 5 Gmail settings or tricks. First one, how to change the themes. Go to settings icon and then go to themes. And after that you can choose your favorite theme, then apply. Now that theme will be applied to your Gmail background. The second trick, now to get the shortcut keys, press shift and then question mark. Now the Gmail shortcut keys window will appear. Now you need to enable the keyboard shortcut. Is to find out some Gmail shortcut keys to easy access of Gmail efficiently and faster. After enabling shortcut keys, for example, you take escape, you will get a compose pop-up window. Another example, if you press G and I, it will directly go to your inbox. Third trick, if you observed in the mail, there you can see the start symbol. This trick will help you to change start symbol to any other symbol. Now go to settings, then under that see all settings, and then in general you can see many options. To scroll down, you will get a smart reply. In that, enable smart reply of option. Now scroll down, you can see stars option. In place of in use symbol, you can replace not in use symbols. Here is trick number 4. Now if you send out a mail by mistake and you don't know what to do, just follow this trick and this will help you to undo that mail. Go to settings, then see all settings, and under general you can see there is an option called undo sent. In that you can increase the time to 30 seconds where you can undo the mail which you have sent by mistake. Here is last trick number 5. Are you receiving spam mails continuously? Here is a small trick, helps you to delete spam mail at once. Go to search box and type unsubscribe. Now you get all the unsubscribed mail. At the right hand side, click show search option. In the bottom side, you will get a create filter. Click it. Choose label, then go to new label. Enter the names as subscriptions and create. Then click the also apply filter matching conversation. Then create a filter. Now all the spam mails will go to the subscription named folder. This helps to stop receiving spam mails in the inbox, and you can delete all the spam mails at once. Thanks for watching this video, friends. If you like, please share, subscribe and comment.